Today, I wanted to talk to you briefly about the importance of building some generational wealth and how simple it is. We're going to keep it real simple, like creating a $27 product, a product that you can own, that you can promote, that you can sell to help build and scale your business and create some generational wealth, not just for yourself, but for your family. And it's also creating your retirement. If you've been doing something for 5, 10, 20, 30 plus years, surely there's some expertise that you have. Surely there's a hustle that you have within your business. There are some experiences that you can put into a paper, you can put into an ebook that can change not only your life, but the person that's reading it. It's all about getting a transformation. It's not about so much as telling your story and writing a documentary and showing where you grew up at and all of that. That is fine, and there's a time for that. But what people want to know is, how can they scale themselves? How can they do what they see you have done? And if you have done something amazing, if you are building a business, if you got a brand, and you're trying to figure out how can you actually make money in your sleep, family, that is what I specialize in. This is what I figured out, fam. I understand how to monetize yourself, and you have to learn how to do it, fam. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to happen over time. But literally, if you create your system, it can happen overnight. I have many people, fam, that I have assisted, and I have a brother here, Kashif Yamin, the owner and founder of Your Chef restaurant here in Birmingham, Alabama. I didn't help him create something, family, that can create some wealth, not only for him, his family, and the business. And actions speak louder than words. From prison to place, I helped him get that thing together, get it off the ground, so that way he can have something strong. Now he got an audio book, now he got a raffle, and he's really changing lives. But you got to start somewhere, family. You got to have a product. You got to have something that you own, that you don't have to work for, that you don't have to sweat on. See, we have to realize, family, that our money work harder than us. Our money don't get tired. Our money don't complain. Our money don't even ask for a raise. But let me tell you something that a wise man told me. A bag of money in the room is just a bag of money in the room. But if you happen to have an individual that can turn a bag of money into a room of money, now we talking about something, family, and that's how you create a system. You have to know something, family, and if you've been doing something for a while, share your expertise. Turn it into a product. You can just start off simple and basic with a $27 ebook that you can promote and sell to 1,000 people. That's $27,000, family. You know, you're gonna take some taxes out, but you get what I'm saying. You know, it's very small, and you have to just think outside of the box, and you have to think about giving value to the next person. What are the steps? What are the principles a person can use that can get them from A to Z by using what you have? If you have something, family, all you have to do is contact me. I'm in the city of Birmingham right now. You can email me at skillbuiltsolutions@gmail.com. That's skillbuiltsolutions. You can email me there. You can give me a call at 501-400-5806. That's 501-400-5806, and we can have a sit down and figure out how can I help you scale your business. The consultation is only $100, and we can sit down for an hour consultation and figure out how we can get your ebook off the ground. If you want to get your ebook off the ground and you own it, and we help you get the project together, the smallest price is only $500. That's it, $500 to own your product that you can recop that in no time. Now, if you want me to help you promote the book, if you want me to help you take it to a next level, then it's $1,000 with a 10% fee. That way I'm gonna help you promote the book, the life of the book. So it's all up to how you feel about your product, what you want to do, how much you want to invest in yourself. But I will say this, if you've been investing in others, now it's time to invest in you.